Hi Tom, I'm going to show you how I've uploaded the ITT newsletter to the website and published it as a post and added it to a category page that displays just the newsletters and can be navigated and found on the menu on the website. Now in your desktop, in your dashboard, and you'll see the ITT newsletter for February and March. We'll just click on edit the block editor there. I've given it a title. You know how to give it a title. I've given some instruction on how to get the best of it, read the letter and so on. When we click on this block here, you'll see it's a PDF embedder. The way we do that, and I'll just click on add after to show you how I would do it again. Choose the block. If you don't see it in the menu, just type in PDF. You're going to be adding a PDF. Add the PDF embedder, and it gives you an option to find it in the media library. Find your PDF in the media library, find that, and then add it, select it, and that will then be on the page. Okay. I'll take that out now because it's just duplicated. It's just showing you how I added it. Below that, I've added a spacer. You remember that we go to add the block, and you can find a spacer. Add a spacer. Choose how much space you want. It's a duplicate, so I'll get rid of that one. And then we can add a download button. So here is a block. I'll show you how I added it by adding another one. Type in the title, the button text, download. And then you can style that over on the right hand side. Block, button, settings for the size of the button. Over here, styles of the button. Change the color of that one to red so that you can see how to style the button. And then what happens when you click on the button, you have to put a link in. Put the link in. Now we want to download this PDF, so in the embedder you'll see that the current file for that, the file address for that PDF is shown. If we just copy the link address, we can then go to the button we've created, click on it to make it live, add the link, paste it in there, and then when we publish, that button, when clicked, will download, open the PDF in a PDF viewer, and allow the people to print it and download it to their own device. Now I'm going to get rid of that one because it's a duplicate. And if we now go to the front page to have a look at that, save it, view the post, and you'll see there we have it, instructions on how to use it and the actual PDF. When hovered over, you get to navigate through the document. The button below, click on it, and you can open it in a viewer and download a copy here or print it. Most people have a PDF viewer that will automatically open that on their device. I'm going to navigate back to the website and point out that this is the PDF document, and on the blog it's visible as a feature image has been placed, but in the actual post you'll notice I've removed the header image, the big rectangular displayed feature image is gone. I want to show you how I did that. Go back to edit the post, and here's the feature image. It's hidden on the front view because I've added some functionality to the website with a plugin that enables you to style each specific post and page by adding CSS code. This is a code editor within the post and page editors. You'll see at the bottom of the page you can add simple CSS code that styles whatever is on that page, so it won't apply to anything else anywhere else in the website, only what appears front end on this page. And to get rid of that feature image, I've targeted it by finding the class of code that renders that particular image in that particular area of the page, and I've told it to hide it by writing display : none semicolon, and inside the curly brackets. That hides that area on the page, which is why you won't see it on the blog post when it's being read. Below that you'll see a .meta entry display none. That's another piece of code just to hide the metadata. That's the author name, date and time of publication, because the title of the newsletter gives the date of the newsletter, and it's irrelevant who posted it. Visitors don't need to know who the author of that was. You didn't author the newsletter, you just put it on the website. So we can hide that information. And when you've got evergreen content you want on your website, you don't want it being dated and getting old, as it were. So that's why I write that code. And I actually add that meta entry code to display none on all posts, because it keeps the site evergreen from the front end. Hopefully that's clear. Please let me know if you need any more clarification. Click on save and we'll view the post. And then what we'll do is I'll come back and delete that code and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there it is with no feature image at the top. Edit the post, go down to the code editor, and we'll take that out and save it, and then view it, and you'll see we've got that big oversized overlapping image at the top of the blog post. Entry meta display none hides the author name, date and time of publication on each post, so you can copy and paste that in any other post that you publish. To do that, save to update the post, view the post, and you'll see we have no feature image at the top. Just go straight into the post, PDF of the newsletter, and a button to click and download a copy. Hope that's helped, Tom. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help you, and yeah, all the best. Tom, there was one other thing I wanted to tell you, and that is when you create a post with a newsletter, please categorize that post under newsletters. Okay, apply that category, because I've set up a page to display all newsletters as an archive in the menu. I can show you that now. So this post for the February-March newsletter has been saved in the newsletters category, and if we go to the blog, in the menu at the top of the page, hovering over blog gives a sub-menu, ITT newsletters. If you click on that, because I've categorized that post as newsletter, it now appears in the Our Newsletters archive and can be navigated to directly from there. Okay, so I hope that helps. I've created this page so as to keep it all in one place, and people can look at past newsletters they'll all be added in a grid, most recent first. Okay, thanks very much.